Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, one more time I have come in front of the camera, and today it's a small vlog, and you are watching there is a nice house here. And I will show you this house properly, and you will be very glad after listening that this house is very empty. And sometimes I come here and I relax here, and I spend my free times here. So
Brother, what are you doing?
yeah, I'm making videos. So what are you doing here?
I'm walking.
Okay, I'm making a video at this time, and will you give me some time right now?
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, I will show this house properly, but you will stay with me. Just তুমি আমার সাথে একটু থাকবা. I will show this house properly to viewers. Viewersদেরকে আজকে এই হাউসটা দেখাবো properly. Okay. So my dear guys, you are watching. There is a empty house. There is no man, women here, or you can say there is no man's here. Just it's empty.
Sometime one people stay.
So is that area? Do you have your house? Is that area? Do you have your house?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, good. মানে এই এরিয়াতে আপনার বাসা?
Yeah, definitely. Beside this place.
Oh, beside this place, your house, right?
Yeah.
So right now you are watching, guys. There is a empty house, but after coming here, just I feel enjoy because it's the weather is very nice here, and there are so many trees here. You are watching. There are so many trees here, and but the door is closed. What is this? Oh, this is the exercise book and chalk and silet. Exercise book, chalk, silet. And whose exercise book is this? Egula kar?
My exercise book.
Yours?
Yeah, definitely.
So
my exercise book and my tripod.
Tripod.
Yeah, tripod, and this is my tripod bag.
Bag.
And this is my tripod hat.
Oh, good.
Yes.
So what are you doing here? এখানে কি করতেছিলা?
Yeah, I make a video.
Oh, you make video?
Yeah, I make video.
What type of video do you make?
I make English video.
You make English video?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, bro, handshake with me.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. And right now I saw a brother, and he is riding here, but after watching me, he handshaked with me at this time.
Yeah.
So I'm very glad after coming here, right?
Yeah.
So okay, what did you say?
Yeah, I will try my tripod hat, but I failed this.
Oh, okay.
Because,
No problem.
yeah.
Take it. Okay, my dear guys, I hope you are watching this video. But right now, today is very sunny day. It's so hot today. That's why I'm feeling so trashy at this time. But I can't show you properly this house, you can say properly, because I don't know about the house properly. There is no men and women here. And will you talk about viewers সম্পর্কে কিছু বলবা?
Definitely.
বলো তো?
I think
Look at the camera.
Yeah, I think viewers was know, and you show area. This area. This is my area.
Yeah.
I think you come travel.
Carry on.
Travel. I think you come travel for travel.
Yeah.
But I stay all time this area, and sometime I came to the place and I make this video.
Oh, good. Excellent.
And
you are expert of English.
Yeah. Sometime I came this place and I chat with my friends, and sometime I came this place and I chat with my girlfriend.
Oh.
And my free time.
Do you play Free Fire?
No, I don't play Free Fire.
Don't you play Free Fire games?
No.
But without Free Fire games, sometimes you come here.
Yeah, definitely.
And you spend your free time, right?
Sometime I came this place and I spent my free time with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, what is this?
This is a bag.
Bag.
This is my bag.
This is your bag?
Yeah, this is my bag.
Okay.
I carry some exercise book.
Why did you hanging? এটা কেন ঝুলে রাখছো?
I hanging because there is no place, safe place. This I think
All place is dirty.
Yeah, all place is dirty. I think it's so much place. That's why
It's a
this
safe-
bag is
safe
I'm
place.
hanging. Yeah.
Okay. And can we saw the behind of this house? পিছনে দেখতে পারি?
Yeah, definitely.
এই
Sure.
house এর?
Why not? This place.
Okay, stay with me, guys.
This place
And I will
is
show you.
so narrow. This
Yeah.
place is so narrow because
And you can see that all the things here. There are so many lines of trees here. Lines of trees. It's so evergreen. You can say evergreen.
Evergreen.
And you can see that I zoom that evergreen.
There is so much.
Evergreen
There
and
is so much mango trees.
mango trees.
Yeah.
And do you eat mango from here?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Because this is my area.
This is your area,
Yeah.
right? And do you come with your friends and sometimes eat mango with your
Yeah,
friends, right?
definitely. Sometimes I come with my friends and I eat
Mango.
so much mango, ripe mango and green mango.
And yes, ripe mango, green
And
mango.
green mango.
And without this, there are so many. Is there so many fruits? Aro kono ki phol
Yeah,
আছে?
definitely. This
You
is
can
a
say-
strawberry.
It's not strawberry. There is a lychee tree.
Lychee.
Lychee tree.
Lychee, definitely
Lychee
lychee
tree.
tree.
And I will show the lychee, the viewers.
Yeah,
And this is lychee. Small lychee.
Green lychee.
Green lychee, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I showed the guys
Yeah,
the lychee. But after its large size, then you eat with your friends and with your brother.
This is
Right.
This is
You don't know about the name of this fruit. Okay. We will try to know.
jackfruit trees.
Jackfruit trees, right.
Jackfruit trees. This is a ripe mango.
Right.
There's a
Yeah.
ripe mango.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there is a green lychee.
Green lychee.
Lychee.
Where is the green
Show
lychee?
the viewers.
Oh,
Green
but
lychee. Yeah, green lychee.
it's on the house.
On the house. I think you.
Roof of the house.
Oh.
ছাদের উপরে একবারে.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Okay, so my dear guys, you can watch another building here,
Yeah.
and this building will be for madrasa, Komi madrasa. Madrasa, right?
A big building. I think.
Where is the owner of this building or owner of this house? মানে এই বাড়ির বাসার মালিক কোথায়?
This owner, I think he stay.
He stay?
Beside our city.
Our city.
Yeah.
Which city?
Mymensingh city.
Mymensingh city.
Yeah. He
So-
lived this place.
So my dear brother,
Yes.
after coming here and after talking with
Yeah.
you, I'm very satisfied.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
thank you so much for
Okay.
talking with me and talking with the viewers.
Sometime you will come this place and sometime you will chat with me.
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely.
yeah.
Because you are also YouTuber and you
Yeah,
make your
definitely.
video also.
And I think you are great YouTuber. I small YouTuber. You take me some tips.
Okay,
brother.
and I will try to give you some tips,
Yeah,
but
definitely.
and after when I will come the later, that
Okay.
time I will try to show you all things
Okay.
and all the tricks, how to make YouTube video properly and how to upload the YouTube video properly. Do you upload YouTube video every day?
Yeah, no. I didn't upload every day. Sometime I upload.
Sometimes you upload when
Yeah.
you get free time.
Yeah, when I get free time, then I upload it.
Do you have another
because-
business?
Yeah, because I also student,
Yeah.
and beside I'm doing business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What type of business are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing food product business. This is my
product.
father. This is my father business, but sometime I spend my free time.
Free time.
Yeah.
You spend your free time
Yeah,
in your
definitely.
father's shop.
In my father's shop.
Oh, you are great. You are
Yeah.
great because you are helping your father.
Yeah.
Right now.
And sometime I do.
He's a very good guy. Viewers, he is a
yeah.
very good guy because
Sometimes-
he helps his father every day,
Yeah,
and he goes to
definitely.
his father house and sell the product.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
Like
Because
him, you
that's
have.
why, that's why I don't have enough time. I will go on my father house and I will do business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You can go, but before going,
Yeah.
just say the bye viewers, then you can go. Okay, like him, you can help your father, your mother, because it's your family.
Yeah, definitely.
It's your family, and if you help your family will be great.
Yeah.
And it's your responsibility, right? So don't forget to help your family, and don't forget to pray
Your
5
mother-
times. Pray 5 times.
Yeah, definitely.
And নামাজের দাওয়াতটা দিয়ে দিলাম নাকি ভাই?
ডেফিনেটলি প্রত্যেকটা মানুষের উচিত প্রতিদিন 5 ওয়াক্ত নামাজ পড়া এবং তার পাশাপাশি তাদের পিতামাতাকে হেল্প করা। আর তার দায়িত্ব নিয়ে আরেকটা কাজ করা, যারা ইউটিউব এবং ফেসবুকে ভালো কাজ করতেছে, আরিফ ভাইয়ের মতো ভালো কাজ করতেছে, ইংরেজি শেখাচ্ছে মানুষ,
তাদেরকে
সাপোর্ট করা,
right?
তাদের চ্যানেলগুলো
অবশ্যই ভুলবেন না সাপোর্ট করতে,
রাখা আর লাইক এবং কমেন্ট করে তাদেরকে ইন্সপায়ার করা।
ওকে,
ইয়েস,
সো আই উইল সি ইউ অ্যানাদার ডে।
definitely.
ওকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ ভিউয়ার্স।
থ্যাংক ইউ, আল্লাহ
হাফেজ।